A couple of days ago, I received this package from YouTube. Obviously, you guys know what's inside because it's the title of the video, but David has no idea that I received this package, and I'm gonna give him a little surprise today. So I've told him that I'm gonna vlog about the daily routine of a full-time YouTuber as we are right now. This will be a nice surprise for the new year. A little nice New Year's gift. Since we need a proper celebration for our silver button, I'm gonna go to the bank and get some bills so that we can spare some money.
다음 정류장은 신한은행입니다. This stop is 노량진 Station. Line number 1 or 9.
David is over there. Hi. 여기 아무도 없는데?
2 hours later.
So unfortunately, there's nobody on the campus. We failed to interview. There's absolutely nobody on campus. And it's freaking cold, so like we can't really stop anybody for an interview. So we're just gonna do reactions first and then maybe think about what we'll do. So we're just heading back to the studio. 왜 이래. 왜 이래. 아이씨.
옆집인가 보다. 시끄러워. 안녕하세요. 방을 보러 오셨다는데?
방을?
어. 저희가 지금 촬영 좀 복잡한데
네.
그래도 상관없어.
여기 뭐 여름에 습하거나 그래요? 그럴 것 같진 않은데.
습하진 않아요. 에어컨도 잘 나오고 지금.
Eventually.
David.
I don't know what you're doing.
David.
This is supposed to be a vlog, but it's a reaction setting.
No. It's a vlog about our lives. You know, our daily routine. I have a special present for you. Or I actually have something to say.
What?
I've been with David for about
Is this getting cringy?
5 years. And I thought I liked women, but I think
Fuck, shut up. This isn't even funny.
I think I like you now.
Shut up.
No, I'm serious.
No, you're not.
I have a surprise for you. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Keep
Okay.
them closed. Keep them closed.
Oh, I am
Don't
closing
watch,
my
don't
eyes.
watch.
I don't know what you're fucking doing.
Don't watch. Are they closed?
I'm
Hey.
closed.
Okay, don't
Well, are you
watch.
gonna like give me your dick in my mouth or something?
No, don't watch.
I'm not watching. 아니, 와, 와. I actually got it right. I actually got it right. I actually got it right. Why is it hot though? How did you microwave it?
I put it up my ass. 먹어.
싫어.
먹어.
싫어.
Yeah, I'll eat it. Guess what this is?
Silver button.
How did you know?
It looks like a silver button. It's from FedEx.
Okay. It was supposed to be a surprise, but David already knows.
You shared the picture on the group chat.
We did?
Yeah, you said I got a package from YouTube.
What? 진짜?
Started.
Zombie on the track.
Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom.
Yeah.
From YouTube. I don't know what that was for. Wow, this looks fancy.
Ever since we started YouTube, we wanted the silver button,
Yeah.
right? 오, 아
there's a
진짜
letter.
진짜.
There's a letter inside.
I mean I already know what it is because I watched so many videos, but
It's the same. It's a macro.
I think so. You've just done something that very few YouTube
Okay,
creators.
I've read it. Just.
Thank you.
Thank you.
YouTube. Oh. Wow.
Wow. It
Wow.
looks so shiny.
Wow.
Can I keep it at my house?
We'll take turns. Do you know the
Are
Stanley?
you gonna fap on it or something?
Do you know the Stanley Cup? It's a trophy that Canadians really like. If you win the Stanley Cup, the players in the team get to take turns having their day in the Stanley Cup. So it goes around the team. So maybe we'll take turns. I don't know.
Let's just put it in our office. With all the other trophies.
But
And...
can I like just take it home once?
No.
No?
Yeah. Are you gonna show it to your grandma or something?
Yeah.
Will she understand what it is?
It's a shiny button.
Thank you, ducks. Quack quack.
Yes, thank you Ducks for all your support. Thank you everybody. Each and one of the 100,000 people, 150,000 now, that have been watching us. I wonder who's our first ever subscriber. Tell us in the comments when you subscribed. And let's see who has the lowest number. Now, for the grand finale, this is 80% of my savings. Show us how to throw money.
Let's
I'll
like
take
half.
Okay.
Half.
Okay. So wait, this isn't half. Thank you for your money, your views,
Thank you.
and see you at gold button.
Gold button.
And oh, I should have done that.
Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. I done kept it real from the jump. Living at my mama's house, we'd argue every month, nigga. I was trying to get it on my own. Working all night, traffic on the way home, and my
5, 6, 7, 8. 불안한데? 6, 7.
7?
잠깐만. 4, 5.
This is the consequence then.
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Can somebody support us on Patreon and buy us a proper bed? 3 men use the same bed. Not even a bed.
That's been through a lot of stuff. On
Yeah,
that
it
bed.
smells like...
A lot of history.
And actually, I don't know if you guys know, but Koreans sleep on the floor. It's not because we're like poor people.
Well, for us, it's because we're poor people. Yeah. Can't afford a big enough house.
Yeah, and actually that's Leo's mattress. It's a used one. We got him from... Oh, you found it? You found it?
Okay, now 2 more. now 2 more. 빠졌을 것 같은데? So much fucking hair. What the fuck? Jen going bald? What the fuck is wrong with this place?
I think he's... I don't know.
없지?
Just go.
Well, that's easy for you to say.
I didn't plan this.
진짜 어디 갔지?
얼마가 없는데.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2만 원. 나 이럴 줄 알고 걱정했는데.
야, 2만 원인데 뭐.
아니 이거 여기 집 좁아.
경험치라고 생각해.
아씨, 나 뽑을 때 잘못 받았나? 확인 안 했나 뽑을 때.
오, 야야야. That's gonna cost more than 20. 있어?
아닌가? 아닌 거
있어?
같아. 아니야 없어. 장난치는 거 아니지?
뭐?
장난치는 거 같은데?
아니라니까.
장난치는 거 같은데? 야, 프랭크 같은데? 이거?
아니라고.
자꾸 녹화하는 건 좀 의심스러운데?
아니 언제 찾을지 보려고 오는 거지.
아니 어디 갔어? 아니 어디 갔어? 없어진 것도 빡치는데 이거를 최영진이 가질 거를 영진이 형이 가질 거라는 게 더 빡치. 100원은 있네. 야, 너 숨겼지? 숨겼지?
아니야.
진짜
아니라고.
숨겼네.
아니라고.
아니, 이거.
아니 여기 찾았어 안 찾았어?
숨겼잖아.
찾았어 안 찾았어?
I love you, YouTube. I love you. Bye.